that too, it's already inaugurated, so I'm very happy, and the people of our state, especially the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo community, we are happy that after 52 years our statehood, yes, of course, I have initiated when I was art and cultural minister. So at the end of the day, we have inaugurated it yesterday, and we have announced in the house. So this is the happiest moment to the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, and also the family members of Tirot Sing, the Himan and Khao, and all the NGOs, the students, and the people at large.
Your idea was a full-size statue. But how come now it is only a bust?
Because I'm no more the art cultural minister, I'm not aware of that.
Okay.
Actually, during my time, based on the records, it's a full-size statue.
Also, why you could not go there? I mean, no invitation.
I got the invitation, but I got the invitation at the last moment. Yesterday only, when after assembly, when I went in the evening, so I saw invitation card on my table. So anyway, we are very happy. We are very happy.
Okay, thank you.